All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good and a digital hi to everyone. I would request all of you to start your video so that I can see some lovely faces across the screen. Great. Finally, here we are from the journey of auditions till, finally embarking yourself on the journey of becoming a super successful model and, of course, a celebrity indeed. One humble request, please stay on mute unless asked to. Your mics need to be cross-checked again and again. Do not unmute yourself, please, so that there is no disturbance while the mentors take over and, of course, the experts take over. Again, welcome you all to Forever Star India. How are you guys feeling? Give me a thumbs up if I'm properly audible and you're all set. Great. I can see some lovely enthusiastic faces and let's get started. Okay, so Forever Star India. Finally, you guys are here. You guys have managed to enroll yourself and clear your audition as well. So I am sure I am re-emphasizing, but this has to be said. Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant. We are building a community of women like you who are talented, intelligent, and of course, passionate to create a unique identity for themselves. And it's an absolute pleasure having each one of you here today. You guys are going to have a journey of, your own, and of course, finding the best versions of yourself. And I am sure, you guys are all set, excited to prove the best output out there, because it's all going to be about you, to ensure that you guys become the shining stars of this platform, as you guys are going to represent us at a national and of course later really soon at an international level as well. So to kickstart the process, I would be giving out too many details today. So first thing that I would request each one of you is to get a notepad and a pen handy, taki in case about the mentor, about the details of the talent rounds, all of it is going to be given out. Everybody should know what is being taught out, right? Okay, I can see some moving hands trying to figure out, notepads and everything. Okay, all set, guys? Yeah?
Yeah, ma'am.
Great. I can see the thumbs up. You don't have to unmute yourself. You're all visible. Okay, so this is just the start, the beginning to your journey.
Excuse me,
like I
ma'am.
mentioned.
1 second, ma'am.
Yes, who's this?
I'm Purvi. Actually, I just messaged you. Can you please check it once?
Purvi, I saw your message. It's okay. You can chill. Not an issue.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Most welcome. Okay, so let's of course, talk about the grand finale, because of course usse pehle to trainings or groomings hongi hi, but I'm sure everybody is finally waiting for that one moment of wearing that couture gown and of adorning that beautiful crown for that matter, and representing your city, state, or of course becoming a national level winner. Because to re-emphasize the fact, we are not just going to have the three ideal winners, but 300 plus winners, where we will be bifurcating your presence at a city level, state level, or a national level. No matter आप किसी भी level पे winner बनते हैं, आप आएंगे in the grand finale from 17th to 20th of December in the luxurious property of the Pink City Marriott Hotel, Jaipur. And of course, you will be given, the crown, and you will be adorning it in front of the major media houses. And of course, a celebrity will be there who will be adding the charge to the event for that matter, and we will be revealing that really soon. So okay, why is there so much nervousness? Where are the smiles? What happened? It's in evening time. Come on, ladies, it's okay. I'm not putting you into an exam today. It's just the training session, so we can keep it very easy. All right. So now, of course, let's invite our director, my favorite human on this planet, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, who has been, like I've always mentioned, nurturing this project, guiding us all through it, and of course, who has been the jury to you guys during the auditions. So let's invite Kirti Chaudhary, and I'm sure she's going to give you the right insights of what the future holds for you. So, hello, Kirti ma'am. I hope you are doing good.
Hello, Harry. Good evening, and good evening, my beautiful ladies. How are you all feeling?
I can see some lovely faces across the screen. Okay, you do not need to unmute yourselves, as Harry always says. कि आप सिर्फ अपनी smile से ही मुझे बता सकते हो, right? I will completely understand what you want to say. So here we are, finally starting with your training sessions. I'm sure everybody's feeling super excited. When I met each one of you during the auditions, you know, most of you were a little nervous and a little excited. But let me just tell you now, increase your excitement levels, because the whole journey is going to get very, very adventurous. We have time till 17th of December. And you know, we are going to make the most out of this time, right? So be very sincere whenever you're getting the links. If you're not able to attend one session, please revert to the team. Let them know that you're not available. For example, if there was a session today and you were not available, or you know, you have something going on in your family or in your personal life, then you just need to revert to the team. Tell them that, you know, I have a personal thing going on and please reschedule my session. But you need to tell it to us, right? If you do not tell and you you know, just think कि ठीक है, रहने देते हैं, नहीं करते हैं. So let me highlight one thing. Each and every detail about you is going to matter in the long run, because when I say we are going to take the whole process step by step. Firstly, we will be selecting city winners from every city. Then from this lot of city winners, we will be selecting state winners, and then of course the national winner during the grand finale. So how are we going to select the city winners? See, we will have detailed sessions. Most probably your session is going to be there in this week only, on Thursday or on Friday. So today's session is just to create a base for those sessions, right? So just get it very clear that each and every session is going to be extremely important for you, because you will be given 3 chances to prove yourselves initially: talent round 1, talent round 2, and talent round 3. So each and every talent round is going to be about a different trait of yours, right? So if I talk about talent round 1, the jury members are solely going to judge you on the basis of your presentation, how you are presenting, how you're putting forth your talent. Now, this talent can be anything. You know, you're into singing, dancing, arts, cooking, whatever. You just have to be extremely creative while you're presenting your talent forth, and it will be virtual. So that is a challenge. Now, how you think about it, how you present it, how you plan the whole thing in a specific time, right? So there will be certain rules that you have to follow. Of course, when I say the next session is going to be about the details of talent round 1, 2, and 3. Today, I'll just give you a brief idea about these rounds. So talent round 1 will be solely about your talent, how you present your talent in front of the jury members within a stipulated time. Talent round 2 is going to be about your makeup skills and your photography skills, right? And talent round 3 will be about your ramp walk. Now, do not worry कि मुझे तो ये आता ही नहीं है, मुझे ramp walk नहीं आती है, or you know, I don't know how to do makeup. So we will be training you for that, right? So simultaneously, everything will just go on. You know, we are training you, you're appearing for these talent rounds. And after these 3 rounds, on the basis of your scores, we will be selecting city winners from every city. So now you understand the importance that these talent rounds hold. Secondly, when I say that firstly we are selecting city winners, so we will be announcing the city winners virtually, right? Then we will be announcing the state winners virtually. But whether you become a winner at city level, sorry, or you become a winner at state level, you will be coming for the grand finale, which happens in the month of December from 17th to 20th. As I always say, in the most beautiful city of the country, Pink City, Jaipur. And it's going to happen at Hotel Marriott. And, you know, trust me, it is going to be a magnificent event. So whenever you are preparing, just keep that in your mind, because, you know, it's totally what you think. It's totally in your thoughts. If you think positive, it is going to happen, because your actions just synchronize with your thoughts. So just think that I have to be there for the grand finale. चाहे मैं city winner बन के जाऊँ, चाहे मैं state winner बन के जाऊँ, I have to be there, and I will be wearing the most beautiful couture gown designed by the best designer of my city and state, right? And trust me, when you're walking down that रैंप एंड सेलिब्रिटी इज क्राउनिंग यू, एक कैटलॉग शूट चल रहा है, आपका पोर्टफोलियो शूट हो रहा है, सो you will be getting that feeling कि मैं आज ही सेलिब्रिटी बन गई हूँ, right? So start treating yourself as a celebrity today onwards. Secondly, today's session, as I say, is going to make a base for the upcoming sessions. It's a very, very important session because talent round 1, 2 and 3 में तो हम आपको बाहर से सब कुछ सिखाने वाले हैं. रैंप वॉक कैसे करना है कॉन्फिडेंटली अपने टैलेंट को प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है, मेकअप कैसे करना है. But until you feel beautiful from the inside, until you feel strong from inside, you won't be able to make it anywhere, right? That's extremely important. And COVID and this pandemic has taught us that self-care is the most important if we want to feel happy and satisfied, right? So further details Harry is going to give to you about the trainer who we have on board, but trust me, note everything down. ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि ठीक है ये सब चीजें तो मुझे पता ही है. Note everything down, keep everything in mind. Each and every detail is going to matter in the long run. So all the best and keep rocking.
Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Thank you so much. As always,
thank you, ma'am.
Lovely hearing from you. Okay, guys, excitement in the chat box. There is a chat box on, in the bottom corner. You can always type in and share your views, opinions into the chat box. So make sure you are a wise user of it. So this is Zoom. This is a new process we are starting. Of course, sab kuch virtual hai. Try figuring out Zoom meetings by your own self. You need to be aware how you are presenting yourself in a meeting where there are 80 people along with you, right? Especially when an expert comes on board, they have a certain set of expectations because you are not just FCR participants, you are the celebrities of the future. So you need to present yourself in a certain way. And re-emphasizing the fact that I am sure, जैसे कि मैंने audition के time भी बोला था, there is one thing that binds all of you together, that is the intention to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना. So उसके लिए सबसे important आज के time पे क्या है? I am sure the first thing that will pop and should pop in your head is social media. राइट. सो आई एम श्योर आप कुछ भी हम देखते हैं, सबसे पहला इंस्टिंक्ट होता है उसका सोशल मीडिया खोल के देखना, इंस्टाग्राम डिटेल्स, फेसबुक डिटेल्स, राइट? आई एम श्योर, गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ आई एम मेकिंग सेंस सो फार. Perfect. The idea remains your social media presence needs to be really strong now. अगर अब तक नहीं किया है, अब कीजिए. Imagine you becoming a winner and first thing somebody's going to do is, after reading your name into a newspaper, into a winner quality, is to open your social media profile. है ना? सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, सामने वाले का इंस्टाग्राम खोल के देखते हैं, फेसबुक खोल के देखते हैं. Why am I saying this? Because I'm sure you would also realize कि अगर आज के टाइम पे people like Manushi Chillar, for that matter, Priyanka Chopra, Katrina Kaif, they go offline for a month, we will start forgetting them. Why is it? Because the social media presence has become the key way to go about it. So make sure your social media is really strong. Start putting quality content over quantity content. Yeah, right? Because वो आपको present करेगा. The people who don't know you, जो सिर्फ आपका नाम पढ़ेंगे newspapers में when you become winners, they are going to bifurcate your identity to that social media presence. Now, how do you connect your social media presence to Forever Star India? By tagging Forever Star India onto your stories, your posts, and your reels, of course. Now, how does that work? I am again, many auditions के time भी किया था, but I am again sharing Forever Star India's social media details into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot, follow us, and of course, start tagging us in your content. This is not just about you, but see, what happens is, talent rounds में हमेशा एक set criteria होगा that you have to perform this way. But social media एक ऐसा tool है जहाँ पे आप अपना individuality अपनी मर्जी से present कर सकते हो. There is no criteria, there is a lot of freedom, there is a lot of scope to do whatever you want to do. But you have to be very wise about it. Every post matters, every content matters, and make sure you tag the right kind of professionals, the right kind of platforms to get your stories and your content into notice. Because see, for example, अगर next year हम OTT launch कर रहे हैं, I had mentioned this during the auditions as well, we might be looking for actors. So where do we get to know that this person is potential apart from the audition process? Your capability on your social media. That is a very, very important tool. अगर ना देखो तो कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन अगर देखो तो इट कैन बी यूज्ड वेरी वेरी वाइजली. जैसे आप लोगों को हमारे बारे में सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू पता चला था, आई एम श्योर यू नो, इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक के थ्रू पता चला होगा आप लोगों को. यू सॉ द पोस्ट एंड यू रिसर्च एंड एवरीथिंग. So it is also the same way for us to know more about you apart from what has been set. That is the only bracket that allows you to know you guys more. So make sure you not only create quality content, but also, you know, tag the right kind of, like I said, platforms involved into it. Okay, so far so good. Give me a thumbs up if I'm making sense. Great, wonderful. So now let's, of course, the team members have spoken enough. I think it's time to the expert forward. So let's invite Sakshi Shekhar, who is a nutritionist, and she will be taking out, you know, the basic details, because I'm sure, you know, यहाँ से fit होने से पहले you need to make sure that your body, your skin looks fit and looks healthier. By fit, we do not mean you know, losing out weight, you becoming thin. That is not the criteria, never has been. Forever Star India takes immense pride into being a very inclusive platform. We respect you in all shapes and sizes, but being fit is a very very strong concept that needs to be understood in the right way. Aapka fitness means you should be healthy, you should be mentally healthy, and of course for that you need to be physically healthy to start with. So I would, you know, give a big round of applause digitally, of course, for Sakshi Shekhar, and let's have her on board. Hi Sakshi, how are you?
Hello everyone. Hi, this is Sakshi Shekhar. Hope you all are doing wonderful. I think there's a thumbs up sign supposed to be given with every question. Yes.
Yeah, I think they are showering their hellos and highs in the chat box. And
yes, I can see that.
Okay, Sakshi, I don't think there is any reason for us to delay the whole process. Over to you. Welcome on board. It's an absolute pleasure having you here. So ladies, be very sure that you keep the notepad handy. Be very attention, you know, be very attentive to what Sakshi guides you throughout. And for any interruption, do not try unmuting yourself. Rather use the chat box very wisely. Okay. So Sakshi, over to you. Welcome on board.
Thank you so much. Let us quickly begin. And as Harry said, you can keep your notepads handy, because I'm going to give you a lot of information about how to keep yourself healthy and rock the platform where you're going to go. Give me a second to just set up my device. All right, then. So, hello, beautiful ladies out there. We are going to begin with a nutrition training for Forever Miss Mrs. India 2021. You've made this far, and I've been following your incredible journeys over the social media, and I'm absolutely delighted to be a part of this progression. First of all, I'd like to share my congratulations from the bottom of my heart, because you've made this so far, and I'm both eager and excited to follow your incredible journey throughout. Only one lady among you will be crowned, you know, but each one of you are queens, and don't forget to support each other in the process. Don't leave any stone unturned. And here we begin with the first pointer that we need to cover. Yes, first of all, get to know me more closely. My name is Sakshi Shekhar. I'm the founder and owner of the Magic Platter. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram doing my bit. I have witnessed one thing, that if you transform someone not only physical transformation happens, but mental transformation also happens. You know, this transformation of this human frame changes the entire personality. It gives you the confidence, and you know, it exuberates the charm automatically when you are right there on the screen. So make sure you're taking every note of whatever I'm going to share with you right away. And these are my details. Not a lot of work, but you know, I have 7 years of experience here, and I have done around 1,000 transformations. And I don't think that's much of information that you need about me. Let's quickly go to a term that you've been hearing for a while. If you've heard this term before, just raise your hands. Let me know if you've heard about quantified dieting. Has anybody heard? Yes, I can see the hands. What does quantifying means? Basically, it means measuring your food. Like olden days, you know, my dadi used to say, "Rotiyan gin kar mat kha." But kya ye abhi bhi valid hai? No, it is not. Kyunki our grannies used to work so hard, they never needed to squat like we do. Deliberately squatting and, you know, sit-ups are a part of our lives because we are not really flexible enough. So exercises has to be done. पर क्या पहले भी ये valid थी? ये pointers कि आपको workout करनी है. Nobody used to work out. They used to work at home. और उनकी physical activities इतनी ज़्यादा थी that they used to be all fit and fine. So now we need to quantify our food. It may sound like a job initially, but trust me, quantified dieting does lead to quantifiable results. So basically, you have to understand only a few pointers here. First of all, knowing your body well. What is your height, weight? These are basic things that you already know. But what is your ideal body weight? What exactly your body's physiological condition is? This is all you actually got to know and, you know, study your body. What is your lifestyle all about? Are you a night shift worker, or what time you are working? सबसे ज़्यादा आप कब मेहनत कर रहे हो, कौन से part of the day में? All this is required to understand and then compile your diet plan. Uske baad, you got to know what are your macros and micros. Again, this is a very common term that everybody knows. Macros basically आपके carbohydrate, fat और proteins हैं. और micros आपके minerals, water, folic acid, vitamins, all of these. So we need to balance this very carefully so that you are not imbalanced. ना कि weight या height में, बल्कि आपकी deficiencies भी नहीं आनी चाहिए if you're balancing it correctly. So also, again, food and workout, maybe you need to get it balanced. Basically, balancing the amount of macros and micros plus your workout leads to overall calories calculation. Okay. So if now, again, jaise ke Harry has shared earlier, that it's not only about gaining or losing, but also about confidence and how you're feeling fit about it. So coming quickly to it, if you consume calories more than your requirement, you will gain weight. Obviously, it does affect a bit of confidence when you are on a little higher side. But then if you are balancing and making little changes in your lifestyle, day-to-day lifestyle, and that too, it's not very fancy, you know, it's very, very basic. So if you make such little changes, you can really, really take it up very easily. So it's never been a, you know, tough job to do a diet, but I don't know if there's always a panic कि diet करना है and कुछ नहीं खाने को मिलेगा. There is so much to eat and there's so much to do when it comes to gaining or losing weight or maintaining your ideal body weight and getting your deficiency curbed very, very easily. So it's all about knowing yourself, getting to know the macros and micros, and getting the right balance between workout and diet. So yeah, there are some technical terms out here that I'm going to share. There is a term called TDEE. I am not sure if you have heard this. Would you like to enlighten me? Anyone, if anybody's heard it, just raise your hand or write in the chat box. Okay. So TDEE basically is a total daily energy expenditure. It is made of BMR, जो कि आपकी बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक रेट है. जब आप रेस्टेड पोजीशन में हो, उस वक्त आपकी बॉडी कितनी एनर्जी बर्न कर रही है, क्योंकि हमारे अंदर इनवॉलंटरी एक्शंस भी होते हैं, उससे भी हमारी एनर्जी बर्न होती है. यू आर लूजिंग कैलोरीज देयर आल्सो. सो हमारा BMR कैसा है? 1. सेकेंड, आपकी फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज कैसी हैं? 2. फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज में इंक्लूड योर हाउस होल्ड वर्क आल्सो. एंड थर्ड, थर्मिक इफेक्ट ऑफ बॉडी ऑफ फूड, आई एम सॉरी, एज इन जो आप खाना खा रहे हैं उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में कितनी एनर्जी लग रही है. ये तीनों मिलकर हमारा TDEE बनता है. तो ये टर्म इसीलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इससे या तो 200 किलो कैलोरीज 300 किलो कैलोरीज ज्यादा या 200 किलो कैलोरीज 300 किलो कैलोरीज कम, you can lose or gain weight based upon this. Okay, so this is the basic of forming any diet plan. You know, you don't get to know all of this because this is the background job of a dietitian, but सामने में आपको मिलती है एक prepared diet plan जिसकी calories accounted होती है. Exactly you know कि आप अगर उस diet को खाओगे तो आपकी कोई deficiencies नहीं होंगी. So it is very important to understand this, because आप कभी भी किसी भी dietitian को consult करते हो, you can always ask what is your TDEE. You will get to know कि TDEE क्या है, क्योंकि अब आपको पता है कि BMR physical activity और TEF मिलाकर ये term बन रही है. Again, you see यहाँ पर जो भी आपका नंबर आया, it will be coming in say 1300, 1400 या 1800 suppose. उससे अगर आप कम खाते हो, you will lose weight. उससे अगर आप ज्यादा खाओगे, you will gain weight. क्योंकि weight lose करना या gain करना ये totally आपका call है. Again, कितनी कैलोरी होती है per gram of carbohydrate, जो हमारी macros है, protein and fat में. So 1 gram of carbohydrate is 4 calories, protein is 4 calories again, and 1 gram of fat is 9 kilocalories. Okay, here is the food weighing scale. I'm sure a lot of us are using it nowadays. That जो भी हमारी जितनी भी requirement आएगी, for example आपको 1200 या 1400 की diet लेनी है, so we will distribute each of the meals into these carbohydrate, protein, fats. सुबह में for example आपने bread and omelette ली, तो bread, omelette, and omelette में use हुआ हुआ fat. तो ये कितनी quantity होगी? We'll measure through the food weighing scale. I've already explained concept of energy balance. अगर आपको gain करना है तो ज़्यादा TDE से, otherwise कम. So, have you ever experienced this कि आप अपने अपना सारा कुछ correct किया, you are working out, you are dieting, you are doing everything correctly, but you're still not losing weight? Has anyone experienced this? No? Yes, there are so many. What happens is, yeah, the weighing scale does not change no matter what. वो जिद्दी हो जाता है कि वो तो नहीं हिलने वाला. पर क्या हम अपने progress को सिर्फ weighing scale से check करें? No. There are many signs that you are making a progress. So the number one sign, the number one, number two, I'll just read it out to you and tell you this. These are easy methods to understand that you're progressing in this journey. Signs that you're making a progress. Firstly, check your clothes. And for that matter, you can also check how you're losing on your inches. You have to measure yourself every week, not only on the scale, but with the inch tape around your body, your waist circumference, your hip circumference. That way you can get to know that you're losing weight. So it's not about the scale alone. Again, if you have followed a certain diet and you feel that सुबह उठने के बाद या कभी भी काम करके उठने के बाद आपको lethargy feel होता है, इसका मतलब you are not going the right track. Probably you are in a deficit, too much of deficit diet. To understand that correct खाना खाने से, correct diet करने से, you will never feel lethargic. Thirdly, your stamina, energy level will improve. You will get better sleep. You will sleep on time. Lot of my clients say कि पहले हम 11 बजे Netflix देखकर सोया करते थे. Now 10 o'clock I sleep. Is it like a kamzori? I said it's not kamzori. It's because you're working out. You are eating properly. You're fueling your body. So obviously you will sleep on time. So this is what uninterrupted sleep and blissful sleep, you will always see that, you know, digestion is improving. तो आप नेगेटिव, अगर नेगेटिव पर हो किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे, वहां से यू विल सी दैट यू आर ग्रोइंग टू अ बेटर स्टेट फिजिकली, एंड अंदर से अच्छा फील करोगे आप. So you will see that your digestion is improving, your self-discipline is on spot, and lastly, most importantly, you will have a healthy relationship with food. What do you mean by having a healthy relationship with food? Basically, ऐसे होता है ना जी, आपने 7 days diet किया, and then you feel कि कुछ तो हो नहीं रहा है, let's go eat a piece of cake. ठीक है, either you order or you go ahead and you have your favorite cake. उसके बाद क्या, you feel good about it? Not always. Most of the people who are on diet, they start feeling sad, they start feeling guilty. Here is the problem of, you know, the food human relationship. Agar aap guilty feel kar rahe ho, then what is the point? Whatever you eat, there are days when you want to eat junk, and that is completely fine because you are human. We can't be stuck with a diet all your life, right? Any kind of diet is basically for life. It's not for 1 or 2 months. Abhi, for example, we have 2 months to go and a lot of time to improve from inside also. But क्या आप इसके बाद सब कुछ छोड़ दोगे? अगर जो भी आप मुझसे अभी जान रहे हो या सीख रहे हो, would you just stop doing everything? No, because you have more, better goals. इसके आगे भी you have more goals in life. उसी तरह फूड के साथ हमेशा भर का साथ रहना जरूरी है, गिल्टी नहीं फील करना है खाने के बाद. I'm going to show you these 2 ladies इसके बाद वाली slides में, who have really changed their lives with diet. So very quickly, I'll share with you. Mrs. Yamini Dogra, she's been crowned Mrs. India 5-6 days ago on another platform. She has mentioned a few things that I would like to show you. Yes, I have experienced my energy level and body strength has increased. I am more confident now and my skin is also glowing. It's the personalized meal plan. There is no generalized meal plan because internet is full of that generalized information. And she did not starve her body and mind. She ate clean and lifestyle change that I mentioned थोड़ी देर पहले कि it's about lifestyle change, not like कि अभी आपको करना है 7 दिन में आपने कोई certain fat diet की और आपने फटाक से you shrunk yourself या you gained a little weight or you toned yourself up. ये eventually होता है, but it should be permanent. It's very, very important. So now this lady who was overweight after the child, now she has been crowned. And one of you could be standing right there, donning that crown, and So I just wanted to show you this example. And the second one, again, one of my favorite client. By the way, the previous lady, Yamini Dogra, she had thyroid, and thyroid is a metabolic disorder which actually stops you from losing weight. Again, this lady, Trisha De Ganguly, she has PCOD and she lost around 10 kilos. And she was very happy to share it with me. She's a fitness trainer, by the way, now, because the kind of interactions we had in all the months we were working together, she was so inspired to work in this industry. She took away her training and now she's working as a fitness instructor. And I'm so proud of, as I said, it's not only about, getting the human frame change. It's about your personality change altogether, that confidence. कि आप और भी चीजें कर सकते हो. Yes, interesting, right? You become what you eat. So this uncle ate a burger, I think. Yes. So this is very funny, but then isn't it true? You start becoming like what you eat. Why not give us something that the fuel should be looking beautiful to your eyes, should be green and fresh, and likewise you become that fresh. Natural beauty comes from within. Just now Kirti shared with us कि क्यों natural beauty और confidence important है, जब क्योंकि वो अंदर से आती है. So beauty is no longer perceived as, mere indulgence over skincare and makeup products. Rather, it is a form of nourishing yourself, supporting your skin, and that is how you look beautiful on the outside, right? So wherever you go, natural beauty will always be taken, thought as वो देखने में it will show the charm automatically. So सबसे पहली जो चीज आपको नजर में आएगी वो है hydration. Everybody everywhere would say पानी पियो skin अच्छी होगी, पानी पियो skin अच्छी होगी, isn't it? क्यों? Because 70% of our skin cells are made of water. That clearly implies that the requirement of water for our skin is very, very crucial, especially for the flexibility. So pull your cheeks and check if you are dehydrated. You can also have juices, they're other than water. Like if water is boring, I can see someone drinking water and I'm thirsty too. Why don't you all take a sip? Yes, I like it. Nice. It's a nice view. Everybody should have water while I'm talking of water. You can also have juices, by the way. Juices are rich in bioflavonoids. So there are many fruits and vegetables wherein you can have fruits that have their core yellow or orange. So these you can have, for example, lemon, grapefruit, oranges. These can give you a nice glow on your skin, but your daily basis pe karna hai, not one day. Protein. Lot of talking on the protein has happened before. It's bodybuilding, it's for reparation, but it is also for your skin, because keratin, collagen, and elastin ka to naam suna hi hoga. They are the proteins that keep your skin looking healthy, and they provide the skin elasticity and strength also. So a lot of us Indian diet mein, there is a lot of protein. So I'm sure everybody's sufficed with that protein, because there is chicken, egg, fish, legumes, dairy products. We all are eating our proteins, right? So how much protein do you really require? It's according to your weight. So whatever amount your weight is, for balancing, whatever your weight is, utni protein in gram you require. So suppose your weight is 60 kilograms. तो around 60 grams of protein is for balance. अगर आप वर्कआउट करते हो तो थोड़ी सी ज्यादा लगेगी, पर ये है आपकी requirement. I'm going to, yes, now we come to vitamins. So right now I'm sharing all the natural, natural food which gives you all of these. Iske baad you will get to know about some supplements also. Supplements also provide you all of this, पर mother nature की तो replication मुश्किल ही है ना. So let's focus on this part first, and then we'll go to supplement. So vitamin A basically is again available in yellow orange fruits, green leafy vegetables, liver, fish liver oil, and where vitamin C citrus fruits में available होती है, और vitamin E की availability थोड़ी सी कम है. इसको अक्सर लोग supplements के form में लेते हैं, हालांकि safflower oil में ये available होती है. We come to zinc. Zinc basically protects your skin from any allergies or infection. So अगर आपको कोई facial humidity या फिर irritant से infection हो रही है, तो probably check for your zinc levels. So zinc is available in whole wheat flour, pumpkin seeds, and oat flour. Have you heard this onion oil thing that is trending in the market shelves? Onion oil, a lot of people are making it at home. A lot of people apply it on their hair as a hair mask. What is it all about? It's about selenium. Onion has selenium in it, which prevents the hair from damage and enhances more of hair growth. So once in a while, when your hair is falling a lot, you can try this, putting that onion hair mask, and of course, consuming it. Talking about essential fatty acids, I know it may get boring. in a while, but I'll quickly shift to another topic. Essential fatty acids are essential because ये हमारी body में available नहीं है, body में नहीं बनती. We have to take it from outside. Essential fatty acids basically हमारे omega-3 और omega-6 fatty acids है. You must have heard of it. और walnuts, olive oil और flaxseed. अगर आप daily basis पे walnuts खा रहे हो, खाने में olive oil use कर रहे हो, you are sorted. Lastly, vitamin B complexes. There are I have seen people with chapped corners of the lips. I don't know if you've ever experienced the lips of, they just get, this chapped and there you rashes in the corner. This is because of vitamin B complex deficiency. You will always experience this pain and, that bleeding thing happens. So if you covered your B complex vitamins, you're sorted, and vitamin B complex is available in a huge range of food like cheese, milk, dark green vegetables, and very quick fixes. I come to healthy skin, nails, and hair. For healthy skin, you need the antioxidants. Strawberry, pomegranate, green tea, सबसे high antioxidants वाले हैं, pumpkin. Healthy hair के लिए avocado, egg, olive oil, almonds. Healthy nails के लिए milk, seafood, cheese, and green leafy vegetables. So you can note it down or take a picture of these and add it to your diet, because you want me to wait, or I should just take to the next slide. What is supplement? Supplement basically helps you meet the high nutritional needs of your demanding lifestyle. If you're really, really busy and you have a medical condition, so you definitely need some kind of supplementation for this. But before taking any supplements, make sure you are talking to your medical practitioner or your dietitian, because you may be resulting into toxicity. क्योंकि अगर deficiency होगी तभी तो जरूरत है ना. You can't overflow your body with a certain nutrient. So firstly, there's biotin. It's good for skin, hair, and eyes. Omega-3 fatty acid, I already spoke. Okay, these are naturally available. So firstly, you can have that if you require. These are the two favorite supplements of mine, by the way. Omega-3 fatty acids and multivitamin. These go regularly as a part of my routine. And then we have multivitamins. What does a multivitamin do? Why do I have it daily? Because I feel that it just fill in the nutritional gaps, wherein there is, and make you more equipped with your nutrition part. Because gain या lose करने के जो क्रम में जो हमने कोशिश की है कि हम बहुत कुछ कम खाएं, या वो चीजें, वो जो न्यूट्रिशनल गैप बन जाती है, उसको ये फिल इन करता है. सो विटामिन ए, सी, डी, ई, के, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड एट अ गो. Creatinine, basically people who are really working out, they are gymming and lifting weights, they usually use it to improve their strength and muscle injury जो होती है उसको repair करने के लिए, and it also increases the muscle mass. So muscle mass बढ़ेगा तो हमारा basal metabolic rate बढ़ेगा. Basal metabolic मैंने पहले बताया था, जब you're in a rested position, how is your body losing calories? How much does your body require to function? So this is it. Vitamin A and E, basically vitamin A maintains the structural integrity of a cell, and vitamin E retains moisture. So this is it. Now I have done with the boring part, to tell you the truth. Let's move ahead and get to know some interactive, get into some interactive sessions, so you are also enjoying. But one little thing that is again trending, I would like to share on that before I go ahead to the interactive session, which is keto diet, because a lot of questions come, keto diet, and I'm kind of motivated to talk about it now. So before we end the supplement part, I'd like to again remind, never take a supplement without the permission of your medical practitioner. try to get your supplements naturally, क्योंकि traditional तरीके से खाना, you can always be not feeling sorry. And any synthetic product is a synthetic product after all. So let's go to keto in a nutshell. What exactly is ketogenic diet? So I'll just, in my very bad handwriting, because I'm not a pro in writing over here, I'll tell you a little. Okay, so suppose this is the Indian diet, and this is my keto diet. This is my protein, my carbs, and fat. In your chat box, can you tell me how much protein do we eat in a day in percentage? This is, oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for writing this way. So how much protein do we consume in an Indian diet? Approximate percentage, anyone in the chat box? Yes, Lena, you're correct. We are close. Very nice. Deboshri, 35. Yes, 35 lagbhag. Yes. So 35%. And the amount of carbs is 50%. And the fat is 15%. This is for Indian diet. What do we do in keto? 20%. The carb goes down to 5%, and fat shoots up to 75%. This is the one. These are the two major changes that we do when we are shifting to a keto diet. So what exactly is ketogenic diet? It's a high fat, you see, medium protein, and very low carb diet. What does it actually do? It shifts the metabolism. So abhi tak Indian diet ke hisab se, your body was consuming the energy coming from the carbs, but ab it's coming from the fats. So fat is breaking down to give the energy. Who can use it? We'll focus on this. Okay, weight loss. These are the therapeutic treatments that keto helps in, but then it is again done by a doctor. We will focus on this कि weight loss के लिए ये बहुत ही efficient है. So do I starve in a keto? No, because you're eating so much of fat, you're always full. You do not starve at all. So let me quickly erase this. Some more questions on keto. Which fats and oils can be used? Olive oil, ghee, butter, and coconut oil can be used in a keto diet because it crosses the blood-brain barrier and improves the brain's vitality. What about the protein? All meats, chicken, fish, red meat, ये सब आप खा सकते हो if you are a non-vegetarian. If you are a vegetarian, you can have cheese, paneer, tofu, nuts, etc. Vegetables that can be used are cruciferous and green vegetables. Cruciferous as in broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and green leafy vegetables that you can use. Yes, this is my favorite part. I want to ask a few questions. If you agree with my statement, just raise your hand. You can see the first one. Honey is better than sugar. So if you agree with me, just raise your hand. You know what? There is no difference. There is a difference in calorific values, but so there's no difference in the calorific values. There's only difference in the nutrient value. So suppose if you want to lose weight and if you've switched from sugar to jaggery or honey, let me read the chats as well. Yes, yes, yes. No, there is no difference. So if you want to lose weight and you are switching to honey and sugar, honey and jaggery, people would come up and say, सुबह नींबू में हनी डालकर पीते हैं, वेट लूज हो जाएगा क्या? कुछ भी खाने से वेट लूज नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं खाने से वेट लूज होता है, ऑलवेज कीप सेइंग. तो एंड इट इज एन अमेलगमेशन ऑफ आप पूरे दिन में क्या खा रहे हो ना, आप एक बार क्या खा रहे हो. अच्छा, देयर इज आल्सो अ ट्रेंड दैट आई हैव बीन सीइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक. दिस इज अ फैट गाय एंड ही ड्रिंक्स कॉफी एंड कॉफी में लेमन डाल के एंड ही सडनली श्रिंक्स. I don't know if you've seen this. This is the strangest thing that I'm seeing. I don't know what all fads come up and we are left in no position. Like नौकरी चली जाएगी यार अगर people are drinking coffee में नींबू डाल के and they are sorted, मोटे से पतले होंगे, तो what will we do as dietitians? So next one is yeah, keep your hands on the emoticons. Fat-free food is healthy. So if you agree to this, please raise your hands. Write in the chat also. You can write in the chat column also. No, nobody is agreeing now. Good. Yes, we need the fat because हमारी involuntary जो actions हो रही हैं body के अंदर, they require fat. और हमारी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी जो है हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स की, इट इज कमिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द फैट. सो फैट फ्री फूड, हाउ डू दे डू इट? बेसिकली फैट तो कम कर दिया पर शुगर इनटेक कंटेंट बढ़ा दिया उसका, तो वो तो बिल्कुल हेल्दी नहीं रहा. इफ यू गेटिंग दिस रिटन बोल्ड में लिखा रहेगा फैट फ्री, बट क्या पलट के न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू चेक की किसी ने? उसमें शुगर है, बहुत सारा शुगर, जस्ट टू बैलेंस द टेस्ट ऑफ इट. सो फैट फ्री फूड इज नॉट नेसेसरली हेल्दी. इनफैक्ट फैट की रिक्वायरमेंट है बॉडी को. So don't be afraid of fat. Eat your breakfast like a king. राजा की तरह खाना. क्या कहते हैं? ऐसे कुछ कहते हैं. Do you agree to this? So I would say eat all your meals like a queen. Don't just eat your breakfast like a queen. Why king? We all queens here. So eat all your meals like a queen. क्योंकि the wholesome combination of protein, carbs and fat की जरूरत है. और वो सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट में ही क्यों, सारे मील्स में होना चाहिए ना. So it's not only the breakfast is important, we have to eat all the meals likewise. You should drink 8 glasses of water every day. So you agree with it or you disagree? You have your notepad and pen ready. I'm going to throw a challenge right away. I see a lot of raised hands. Okay, so your weight in kilogram, please write down your weight in kilogram and multiply it by 2.33. You can use your calculators. You don't need to do the calculation. Just use your calculators, please. Written? Please write it in the chat box. I'll read it. Who's the first one who's done it? सबसे पहले किसका आया है? किसी का भी नहीं आया अभी तक. 116.3, 2.33. Nice, lot of answers. So everybody's awake. Thank you very much. Let's move ahead. So basically, you need to have water according to your weight. So it's not necessary कि आपको 8 glasses water लेनी है. So according to your weight, आप water लोगे. Cheese is bad for your health. Again, the next one. Is it bad for our health? I think everybody knows about it. Cheese, please raise your hands if you think cheese is bad for your health. No, it is not. It is a great source of calcium, fat, protein, vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B12, zinc, phosphorus, riboflavin, all of it. It is good for your health. बस limited quantity में खाना है according to your calorie requirements. It is good for your health. This one is my favorite. Red wine is good for your heart. All my life I've heard it. Red wine pio, it's good for your heart. Do you agree to it? Yes? Oh my God. I think everybody's gonna have a glass of wine tonight. It is the biggest myth of all the time. It's made with grapes, I agree. And grapes have flavonoids, I still agree on that. But a glass of wine may, maybe just fine. Like one glass of wine is all right. But out of the studies, one glass of wine requires a lot of metabolic activities to be digested. So body के लिए बहुत सारा काम है actually alcohol को digest करना, plus dehydration भी कर देता है. तो ये alcohol ही है. So red wine does not do any good to your heart, by the way. Again, I'll go quickly. Drink milk for strong bones. मम्मी ने बहुत बेवकूफ बनाया है ये बोल के. Do you agree to this? Please raise your hands. You have to lower your hand and then raise it again for, answering the questions. So, drink milk for strong bones. And I'm sure all the mummies here do the same to their kids, जो last generation ने हमारे साथ किया है. Basically, milk is not the only substance that gives you that much amount of calcium. एक ब्रोकली का स्टॉक भी उतना ही कैल्शियम देता है जितना कि मिल्क देता है. So it's not milk alone who is the superhero in the calcium के उसमें. हाँ, एक चीज है कि मिल्क जो आती है हमारे पास, it is fortified. जो पैक्ड मिल्क आती है वो fortified होती है with vitamin D, जिसकी वजह से हम वो पी सकते हैं और पीना भी चाहिए. लेकिन वो नेचुरल नहीं है और उतनी विटामिन डी आपको सन में आधे घंटे स्पेंड करके मिल जाएगा. So milk is not the superhero I've been, we all have been made fool with. Probiotics are good for everyone. Nowadays, they are selling this supplements of probiotics, and all age people are having this. You think that probiotic supplements are required from outside? Like, you agree to this? Raise your hands if you agree to it. Change the smiley, otherwise nobody's answering. Everybody's keep their hands raised. Probiotics are not required from outside क्योंकि वो हमारे gut में already है. So you do not really require it from outside. और हाँ, अगर बहुत मन करे तो दही खा लो. Your curd is a fermented food and it has an ample amount of probiotic, तो digestion ऐसे improve होगी. अगर किसी को indigestion issue है, they can always have curd after their meal. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. ये तो मैंने बहुत लिखा है essays में. आप बताओ. Raise your hand. Do you believe in this apple a day keeps a doctor away? Yes. यहाँ भी हमने apple को hero बना दिया. Basically, it's not completely false, but 10 servings of fruits and vegetables a day actually keeps a doctor away. Not the apple alone. एक fruit में कभी सारे nutrients नहीं होते. Nutrients are distributed. इसीलिए हम हमेशा मिलाकर खाते हैं हर चीजें. सैलेड क्यों खाते हैं हम? क्योंकि सारी वेजिटेबल्स मिल जाएं और सारी न्यूट्रिएंट्स का अमैल्गमेशन हो अच्छे से. Potatoes are bad for you. Again, are they? Bichara potato. Everybody said potatoes मत खाओ, मोटे हो जाओगे. इतने भी बुरे नहीं है वो. Basically, carbs ज़्यादा हैं उसमें, but they are rich source of vitamin A and potassium. So they are not that bad जितना कि उनको portray किया गया है अभी तक. हाँ, जब हम low carb diet देते हैं तो we remove the carbs. तो इसीलिए potato remove करते हैं, पर potato is not bad. Poor potato. Next, meat is an important part of a balanced diet. So we have a lot of vegetarians in India. It is definitely not an important part of the diet. लेकिन एक चीज है जो मीट ईटर्स में होती है अक्सर और वेजिटेरियंस में कम मिलती है, वो है विटामिन B12. तो अक्सर वेजिटेरियंस विटामिन B12 से डेफिशिएंट हो जाते हैं. तो इसलिए यही डिफरेंस है, बट वी हैव द सप्लीमेंट्स अवेलेबल. Lastly, you shouldn't eat after 6 p.m. Please raise your hands if you agree. 6 or 7, whatever. So many hands. This is also not true. बेसिकली हमारी मील को हम सारे दिन में डिवाइड करते हैं, कैलोरीज को, सुबह, शाम, मिड डे, स्नैक्स, डिनर. यू कैन हैव एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट, लेकिन मेक श्योर यू आर एक्टिव आफ्टर योर मील. बस इतनी सी बात है, क्योंकि उसके बाद दैट फूड शुड बी डाइजेस्टेड, या एटलीस्ट यू आर मूविंग अराउंड. So it's 6 or it's 11. You should be a little active after your meal. That is it. So hope you enjoyed debunking the diet myths. And everybody was raising hands, and all of these are myths actually. I'm so sorry for this prank. Let's go to another level. But before that, I would like to ask you, do you have any questions in regards with weight loss? Because if you don't ask questions, I'm going to ask questions.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Yes, please. Who is this?
Yeah, it's Pranjal.
Yes, hi Pranjal. Please tell me.
It was a very nice talk that you've been telling. And one thing I want to ask, that आपने बताया jaggery is same as sugar.
Yeah.
It is also same as sugar.
Come again?
Khand
Uh-huh.
is same as sugar.
What is it, khand, you said?
Khand is like, people in India do take khand instead of sugar. It's a crushed thing, like brown sugar crushed.
Okay, and it is made up of? What is the source of it?
It's jaggery only.
It's jaggery only, na? I got it. What is it? It is the same. क्योंकि calories same ही है दोनों की. न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू, मैंने कहा कि गुड़ में फॉर एग्जांपल थोड़ा आयरन ज्यादा होता है, शुगर में तो कोई न्यूट्रिएंट ही नहीं है. तो अगर आप बेटर बोलना चाहो तो इट इज बेटर ऑन न्यूट्रिएंट प्लेटफॉर्म. मैंने ये भी कहा न्यूट्रिएंट प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये डेफिनेटली बेटर है. पर अगर कैलोरीज देखोगे, सपोज किसी को वेट लूज करना है और उसने शुगर नहीं खा रहा, या डायबिटीज में, दिस ऑलवेज कम्स अप इन डायबिटीज, हमने शुगर छोड़ दिया है पर हम जैगरी खा रहे हैं, हम हनी खा रहे हैं और हम खांड भी खा रहे हैं, तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. You have to, completely get off to get into a certain insulin level, and then you recover. या फिर weight loss के लिए भी same. I hope I answered your question.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Who is this?
Yeah, ma'am, I have a question. Like from our elders also, we really come on listening that rice is. Like chapati is far better than rice. Is it a myth, or we can follow that we have to do diet, while dieting we have to eat chapati, not rice?
Rice is my favorite part of my diet meal.
Also, that's why I'm asking.
क्योंकि no, there is no calorific differences. They are same. ठीक है, whether you eat 30 grams of rice or 30 grams of wheat, दोनों सेम है. What difference is, I'll tell you. Actually, राइस की डाइजेस्टिबिलिटी ज्यादा होती है. तो जब आप डाइट में होते हो, सिर्फ डाइट में, तो जब आप राइस खाते हो तो वो जल्दी से डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है, एंड यू फील हंग्री अगेन. इसलिए लोग राइस को ऐसे बोलते थे, लेकिन आई डोंट नो वेयर इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम कि राइस खाने से हम मोटे हो जाते हैं और व्हीट खाने से मोटे नहीं होते. सो बेसिकली हमको डाइजेशन स्लो करनी है, तो आप उसको मल्टीग्रेन कर सकते हो अगर आप कोई चीज खा रहे हो, या लेकिन आप राइस बिल्कुल खा सकते हो अपने डाइट में. इनफैक्ट मेरे सारे क्लाइंट्स के डाइट में राइस, घी, ये सब चीजें होती हैं. तो आई होप दैट इज ऑलराइट. यू वांट टू आस्क एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question.
I have a question too.
हाँ जी.
Okay, ma'am, Semantika this side. So basically,
Hi.
I wanted to ask you. Hi, good evening, ma'am. Hope you're good.
I'm good.
So what
Go
I
ahead.
wanted to ask was basically, what are the 3 things you would suggest to like follow blindly if I'm like trying to lose a few inches. Like 3 key things that I should follow blindly if I want to
Okay.
lose few inches.
In terms of diet, you should calculate your calories while you're eating. बहुत important है. If you're eating, कि मैंने कम खाया, portion करके खाया, and your favorite things are yours, ठीक है वो. लेकिन if you're counting your calories, you will definitely lose inches. एक. दूसरा, weight training really helps in toning up your body and losing inches. And have water, like 4 liters of water you should have when you are getting into a workout regime, especially because you are dehydrating. तो water लेना बहुत important. ये 3 चीज अगर आप करोगे, इसके साथ में और 2 चीज बता देती हूँ जो मुझे बोलना बहुत जरूरी है, कि you should sleep at a particular point of time, because when you are doing all of it you need to get yourself rested, because जब आप muscle train कर रहे होते हो, क्योंकि आप इंचेस लूज करना चाहते हो, तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि यू आर लूजिंग बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज. ओके, तो बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज तब लूज होगी जब यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया. से अगर मेरे यहाँ पर इफ आई हैव फैट ओवर अंडर माय आर्म्स, सो आई नीड टू वर्क दिस अप. जो भी एक्सरसाइजेस मैं करूंगी, then it will hurt and it will get injured. यही होता है प्रोसेस. अब वर्कआउट करते हो, it will get injured and it will get better after the very next day. So sleep is very important. And 5th is stress free. तो ये first 3 तो मैंने बोला कि वो जो बिल्कुल blindly follow करो, water, calculating your calories, and 3rd is weight training. और ये 2 चीजें मुफ्त, sleep well, and try to remain stress free. I'll not say remain stress free. Nobody can remain stress free, but try and ease up.
Basically, while I was trying to lose some weight, I did some research and I researched that if you like don't sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours at night, then you don't get that one particular hormone, I don't remember, which makes you feel insatiable and you keep on eating and you binge eat and you gain weight. And
You
I
do.
think that
True, agree with you.
like I followed that myself, and when I used to like stay up at night for a long time, that used to happen. And I just
As
wanted
it
to
is, when you are 2 hours, you've crossed your 2 hours of eating, because raat bhar to it's a fast, no? That is why we breakfast in the morning, right? We break the fast. So raat bhar to you are fasting. So if you're awake, your system is functioning, your mind is functioning, you will keep feeling hungry all the time. Like every 2 hours पे, जैसे ही 2 hours पे blood glucose level fall करेगा, खाने के बाद 2 hours के बाद blood glucose level usually falls. तो वो जैसे ही होगा, you start feeling कि अभी कुछ खाना है, अभी कुछ खाना है. तो every 2 hours अगर खाते रहोगे तो ओवरनाइट तो आप डबल कैलोरीज खा लोगे ना. तो इसलिए भी स्लीप इंपॉर्टेंट है कि यू फिनिश योर कैलोरीज जितनी रिक्वायर्ड है ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम, एंड देन फास्ट एट नाइट एंड हैव अ गुड ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग.
thank you so much, ma'am.
यू आर वेलकम.
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हेलो.
Good evening, ma'am. I have a
Sunita
question.
Hello, ma'am. I
Ma'am,
have a
Hi.
question.
I think lot of you are
Ma'am,
speaking.
Sunita Sharma.
Yes, Smita, tell me.
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि एक हम मॉर्निंग वॉक में जब नॉर्मली वे में जब चलते हैं और हम रनिंग करते हैं, तो दोनों से हमारी बॉडी में क्या चेंज फास्ट होता है? क्योंकि मैं पिछले कई मंथ से रनिंग का सहारा ले रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे कुछ खास चेंज नहीं लगा. जैसा कि मैं सुनती थी अपने फ्रेंड्स सर्कल से कि अगर आप रनिंग करोगे तो ज्यादा आपको फायदा होगा, तो ऐसा कुछ मुझे लगा नहीं.
ओके, हो सकता है आपकी बॉडी यूज्ड टू हो गई हो. एक और कैन आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड आस्क हियर, बट अगर आपका वेट ऑन अ हायर स्केल है, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू नॉट टू रन इनिशियली. अगर आप एवरेज स्केल पर हो, देन यू कैन ट्राई ब्रिस्क वॉकिंग, और अगर आप लाइट वेट पर हो, देन यू शुड अटेम्प्ट रनिंग. एंड ऑल्सो I would not say कि running is an absolute workout. I know runners will hate me for this, because firstly, to answer your question, probably आपकी body immune हो गई, you need to change your workout. And secondly, try to train your muscles, क्योंकि अब क्योंकि आपकी body, I'm sorry.
Hello.
Yes, I'm just finishing your answer. So once your body is not losing weight, वो plateau जब hit कर जाता है, you need to change the strategy of your workout. So try to change to something else, and then probably you will see the changes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Hello,
welcome.
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
This is Shalvi.
Yes,
Hello,
please.
ma'am.
Yes, please. Tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Tell me.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Shalvi.
Hi, Shalvi.
Hello, ma'am. Looking so pretty. Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
information. Ma'am, मुझे actually skin के regarding question था कि if I have a very dry skin और sunburn का issue रहता है, तो वो मतलब जिससे thin skin है, तो अभी फिर जैसे एकदम से टैन हो जाएगा, एकदम से रेडिशनेस हो जाएगी, फिर आप मतलब क्या होम रेमेडी यूज कर सकते हैं? फिर इसमें इशू ये रहता है कि आपको ग्लोइंग दिखना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपकी स्किन एकदम से वो ड्राई हो जाती है। फिर क्या मतलब होम रेमेडी हम कर सकते हैं एट नाइट की सुबह के लिए? मतलब
I may not be the right person to.
बहुत यही तो कहानी है, मेरे से पीछे नहीं होती है।
I think somebody's mic is unmuted.
Hello.
Yes. To answer your question, can I ask if you use a sunscreen? However, this is not my department, Shalvi, but still. Use a sunscreen. I think it really helps.
Ma'am,
And
sunscreens make skin sensitive actually.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, sunscreen is more sensitive
मैं
कर
कह रही
देते
किसी का
हैं।
माइक ऑन हो गया, मुझे लगा मेरा तो नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए मैं चुप हो गई।
Yes, for your question, you have to go to a dermatologist, show your skin and ask for a particular kind of sunscreen that would suit your skin. This is completely off my department, darling.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello,
Yes,
ma'am.
please.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am. I'm Rajlakshmi. Good evening,
Yes.
ma'am. I'm Rajlakshmi. I'm 18. I have just completed my 12th and I work out on daily basis, like at least 1 hour
Mhm.
every day. And I have totally removed sugar from my diet. And instead, I was using honey or the sugar-free tablets. So
Okay.
obviously, I have heard that sugar-free is not good for you. And right now, you told that honey and sugar doesn't make any change.
That's why you were smiling. I saw you smiling when I was telling that.
Yeah. So what are the substitutes I can use instead of that?
Stevia is a natural sugar. You can go for it. And I'm not asking you to stop sugar, by the way. You can have it in a limited quantity. And that is you wanted to lose weight. Where from?
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to lose weight. Actually, I gained a lot in first lockdown, and I ate
Okay.
a lot of fruits. It's not like there is no sugar. I eat fruits, a lot of fruits, but the actual sugar that I have cut off.
Okay. So to drop a bomb on you, firstly, I'll clarify your doubts. Stevia is a natural sugar. You can go for it. Stevia. Secondly, अगर आप बहुत सारे fruits भी खा रहे हो, तो fruits में भी fructose होता है. बहुत सारे खाओगे तो थोड़ा बहुत is fine, पर बहुत सारे खाओगे तो it doesn't really help. Okay, so 100 grams is fine, not more than that. So keep a check on all sorts of carbohydrates. कहाँ से carbs आ रहे हैं? अगर आप वो check करोगे तो you'll be able to lose very easily. All right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
I have a question. Hello, ma'am. I'm
Yes,
Chandrika.
Hi.
Ma'am, I have a question that like, can you please tell me about that? What is the replacement of vitamin C? Like my doctor told me that I can't take vitamin C like in the base of lemon and all other vitamin C fruits. So what is the replacement of vitamin C that I can take?
Why is it prohibited? May I ask?
I have some problem. I have some stomach problem for last 3 months. So doctor prescribed me. He told me that I shouldn't take lemon, soda, all these things for at least 3 to 4 months. So that's why I can't take all vitamin C. But my skin is like I don't know what is happening with my skin. I can't take vitamin C, so it's reacting in my body, and my skin is getting very dry. And that's why I'm only using vitamin C serum. But that is also like people also need to eat something which is in the vitamin C supplement. But I
Right.
don't know that which kind of food that will give me vitamin C. I only
Okay.
know that fruits have vitamin C.
Okay.
So
So
just tell me, ma'am.
there's orange and there is capsicum. What would you choose? Like bell
Yeah.
peppers, not capsicum.
So I can go for bell peppers.
Yes, bell pepper has
Uh,
more vitamin C than orange.
okay, ma'am.
So you
Thank you
can
so
go
much.
for that.
I just love bell peppers, so I can go for that.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I have a question. My name is Dolly Singh, and
Hi,
I've been
Dolly.
there for a very long time, and I'm also in the evening shift. But then I'm attending this meeting, I don't know, somehow, and it is Monday, so it is clearly very a busy day for me. Ma'am, the question is, I am in the evening shift, and that has been really a problem for me. I've
Mhm.
been trying to go for in the day shift, but I've been trying for 3 to 4 months. It's not, it's not going to happen overnight. For in the few coming months, it might happen.
Okay.
So when I'm doing evening shift, obviously I can't wake up early in the morning. If I do, I am not able to sleep and take rest properly. So when I
Right.
wake up at times in the afternoon, my trainer has designated an afternoon time for my workout. I do martial arts.
Mhm.
I'm trying for martial arts. So I'm
Nice.
learning karate, martial arts kind of thing, workout to balance out my body. Now,
Mhm.
recently I was diagnosed with COVID and I was COVID positive, and I have come out of COVID now. But then when I came out of COVID, I had a lot of weakness, and I started eating. I had a lot of appetite, and
Mhm.
I've gained weight in this lockdown because the entire city was completely locked. You cannot
Right.
even go out to walk. So my body weight increased. Now I had to lose all the fat and everything, and I'm also doing a sitting job. I'm working currently.
Okay.
So
So you
uh,
are, what is the
was a challenge.
question?
And waking up in the question is, I cannot wake up early in the morning. Hence, my trying to lose weight has is a challenge. So my trainer has suggested me to buy something called Kinos and eat Kinos, 1 tablespoon of Kinos, and it will reduce your weight. So should I go for it? And can you suggest anything in my schedules so that I can have a better, uh, a better
Trainer
posture and
suggested quinoa.
Kinos, yeah, quinoa, yeah.
Quinoa. Okay. So well, not one thing. As I said, कि कुछ खाने से weight lose नहीं होता है. You have to look into the entire day कि आप क्या खा रहे हो. And it does not matter कि आप evening shift में हो. There has been so many night shift workers that I've worked for. हाँ, उनकी diet different होती है. But and it's a challenge for the dietitian क्योंकि over the night कैसे खिलाना है. What time do you like end your work?
I sleep around 2.5, and at times I wake up all night. I am up all night because I don't know, maybe it's the schedule now I've been addicted to or habituated to. I'm not able to sleep properly. Even though I work out, I'm not able to sleep properly. And I feel hungry with the start in morning,
So
afternoon.
currently you are in the evening shift, right?
Evening shift 5 to 2. My shift is 5 to 2.
5 to 2. So probably you have to delay the entire schedule. जैसे हम breakfast इस certain time पे करते हैं normally day shift workers के लिए, वैसे ही you have to evening shift में you have to propagate your meals likewise. उधर शाम से शुरू करना पड़ेगा. And क्योंकि वो आपका active period है, so you can't be like having dinner and then overnight hungry रहना क्योंकि your brain is functioning and it requires fuel. So you can't be hungry at that point. So you need a proper planning of your diet for that. Naito, you will be, losing on the energy, and I can hear you clearly that you are very tired
Exactly.
right now.
I am not able to complete my workout session. Also, I have been working out for now 3 months now since the city has opened. But then I'm not able to lose weight. It's just that I have been bit toned, but I've not
It is
lost
the
any weight.
issue of the diet, my love. क्योंकि आप diet proper नहीं ले रहे हो, आपको fuel नहीं मिल रहा है, you're not sleeping. क्योंकि ऐसे आप नहीं खा सकते जैसे regular people are. जो day shift में जो खाते हैं, you can't eat like that. You have to eat in a different way. So your diet will be पूरा ही different. मतलब timings will be different. You have to be given food जो आपको energy दे रात में. Okay.
Yeah, I'm working in the afternoon, so that is also a challenge for everyone in my family, trainers, me.
I
So,
can understand.
anyways, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for
You're
your
welcome.
insights.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
and-
ma'am.
Hello,
So
ma'am.
glad I have attended this session.
Ma'am, very short question.
Yes,
Just
please.
want to know. Yeah, Dimpy Jain this side, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, Dimpy. I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine too, ma'am. Just wanted to know two things.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, आपने water का बताया था that we have to multiply our weight into 2.33, right?
I just asked you to ask that question to keep you all up.
Okay.
That is not the actual one.
Okay, I thought it must be water intake should be according to this only. And ma'am, second question is about the juice. Like everybody says, or nutritionists, everybody says that fresh juice would be the better option instead of real juice or the another canned juice. So is it right, ma'am? Because sometimes you don't have fruits in the house or juicer in the house to make the juices. So we can take these juices also, ma'am, as a substitute?
I would say fresh fruits are better than fresh juices because you're also
Okay.
taking the fiber, you're
Yeah.
also taking the pulp. It is very crucial for your system.
Yeah, I
So-
truly believe in fruits, but in sometimes you don't have fruits in the house and you need something juicy, or sometimes you become thirsty, so you would have some juice.
You want to have some beverage. So you can go
Yeah.
for some, if you want to go for some light beverage, you can go for some buttermilk.
Okay.
And otherwise you can go for some smoothie, say oat smoothie, or बहुत boring है, but then I'll still tell you, you can go for detox water जो बहुत popularized हुआ था कुछ दिन पहले.
Right.
हालांकि
Okay.
it doesn't detox you, but then you can just put in some cucumber leaf, mint leaves and coriander leaves and let it, infuse the goodness and just drink that. It's very fresh, refreshing. So it doesn't detox you, by the way. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, you are telling about smoothie. I recently saw in social apps that the smoothie diet also reduces weight. So do you think it's right? I mean, I saw so many ads on this.
So
Smoothie
I'll
diet.
again say कि कुछ भी खाने से you don't lose weight, कुछ नहीं खाने से you lose weight. So it may be right because अगर आप सही content ले रहे हो smoothie में and you're distributing it through the day, you're sorted.
Okay. Okay.
You can make a
Thank-
meal, like a morning meal, a smoothie, and you sort it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
Hi.
sir.
ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
this
I
is,
had a question. I had just a small question.
Yes, please.
I am Purvi. I hope you're good.
I'm absolutely great. Please tell me.
Ma'am, so I'm so sorry there would be some disturbance. But please understand that.
No problem.
I just have one question actually, especially in this lockdown days, though I'm working. I have a day shift also.
Mhm.
I feel very sleepy. I don't know why. And most of the time I end up sleeping in afternoon 2 hours or 1.5 hours or 2 hours in afternoon. Then again in morning, I feel, after waking up, I feel sleepy. So like, is this something
May I know your age?
related to diet or workout or something?
Yes. Can I know your age, please?
Yeah, I am 27.
20. I'm sorry.
27.
27. Check for your vitals, check for thyroid and especially, or else you can check for the deficiencies. Maybe you are deficient on some kind of nutrient because of which this is happening. Also try correcting it. Like try consciously eating all the meals, हर meals में vegetables, हर meals में थोड़ा सा protein content. अगर आपने एक हफ्ते ये कर ली, you will feel the energy levels better. So try doing it first and check your vitals also.
Okay. Actually, after having lunch, I feel like sleepy. So I don't know if this is normal or not. So yeah.
If you have your fuels correct, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Your fuel जो आप खा रहे हो, it should be correct. So eventually, मतलब पूरे दिन का, not one meal, पूरे दिन का. अगर आप correctly खा रहे हो, तो you will, मतलब सोने के time ही सो गए सारा दिन.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. And ma'am, like you told, how we
And
should calculate our calories. So is there any, like, you have something to tell about how to calculate our calories or what things to be kept in mind?
yes, as I said, there are a lot of apps available, say
Okay.
Fitness Pal app. So you can calculate your calories from there. Obviously, you will not be able to do it like us, like we do. So you can follow that app, calculate the TDEE, and if you want to lose weight, eat 200 to 300 calories less. But then, वो जो calories आएगी, you know, that result जो आपको खाना है, उसको आपको किस तरह divide करना है, वो बहुत crucial है. आपने ब्रेकफास्ट में कितनी आपकी मतलब कौन से टाइम आपका सबसे एक्टिव पीरियड होता है वो देखकर हम डिवाइड करते हैं, तो वो देखकर आप कॉन्शियसली करना.
Okay, okay, fine, ma'am. And ma'am, before starting morning workout, do we need to eat something or just water will do or some dry fruits or something?
See, actually, you should eat some little amount of carbs that immediately break into energy and give you that energy. There are some people, like this is coming from the experience part, who are okay with not eating something and they do their workout efficiently. That also, can help in losing the fat eventually, but it completely depends on individual. This is coming from experience, but actually speaking, you should eat some carbohydrate, little amount. You say a banana or a peanut butter, like one slice of bread or something, basically carbs. Or workout ke baad, you should eat some proteins.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
All right.
Sakshi ma'am,
All right, ladies, we'll have to call it off for today. You know, this might just go on endlessly. Sakshi, I would request you to stop your screen sharing so that, you know, we can see everyone. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I would first, you know, request all of you to be a little patient. You know, she also needs to take her leave, and I'm sure she's kept it very explanatory. Now, of course, for reaching out to her, make sure you follow her. I'm sharing her Instagram, Facebook and website details onto the chat box. So you can reach out to her, ask her as many questions as you want, and, you know, we can keep it cordial. So thank you so much, Sakshi, for being here with us today. It was an absolute pleasure. I'm sure the ladies had a lot of fun and they got to learn a lot. So taking a leave from you, and we will be calling it a day.
Thank you so much. Have a nice evening ahead, ladies. It was very nice interacting with you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.